saw the email about the planning. We have three, let's say, topics to talk about, like washing techniques, which is some kind of like things you probably know, but maybe you will get to know new things. Paint correction, where magic happens, and then surface protection. We will also show you the products we are using. So before we start, I just wanted to say that it's not a lecture. I want it to be very relaxed atmosphere. So feel free to grab a drink or a snack, ask questions, walk around. So it's more like something about hands-on experience. One bucket is just with the water to rinse the glove. So you lose it all the dirt, because as you can see, we are doing everything to not to touch the paint with any dirt, so not to scratch it. If you know how to maintain your car, you will not scratch the paint, and this is one of the techniques. Of course, you can use one bucket, but then you have to try to rinse the glove each time. And for the chemicals, usually here we have a lot of different shampoos, but the shampoo I'm going to use right now is a pH natural shampoo, so it's not strong. It cleans very well. It has a lot of foam. You may find shampoos with waxes, with different products inside, so it gets already some effect on the car. It makes it more shiny. There's a hydrophobic effect, so the water has this beading or sheeting effect on it. But we like to clean it on the natural way. So afterwards, when we will dry the car, you can really see what's on the car, because if we put any layer of wax or something, it's already hiding the defects. Okay. So. Every week. So this is pretty straightforward. We try to go funnel by funnel, so we don't lose it, and we always start with the upper parts, because as I said, the one dirty part is above like this spot. So side skirts, lower part of the doors, rear bumper is the most dirty part. So you don't want to start with it and then put dirty glove on your bonnet. So we usually start with the hood, roof, or the bonnet. So you do. This is microfiber. Yeah. You don't do this kind of movement. Why? Because if there is a dirt inside, you will make a lot of scratches like this. It's much more safe to use it. And then I do panel, and then after panel I will rinse my my glove. Yeah, so now this is just pure water. I rinse it, or I can put it back, and then I go for another funnel. So I will start with the front fender, same movements.